Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Nabila, the representative of Group 5 to deliver our first task, which is the importance of ethics among IT professionals. To begin, let me start with a wide concept of ethics, which is ethics or moral philosophy. If we study this term, may come in many kind of definition, include recommending concepts of right and wrong behavior, governing the proper course of action for man, and it can be divided into several theologies. However, the definition of ethics determines our good behavior, the consequences of our action, and the duties we should conduct. Some people conclude ethics according to their feelings, whether right or wrong, or according to their religion beliefs, or maybe according to what the law required. According to sociologists, which is Raymond Baumhart says, many people tend to equate ethics with their feelings. But being ethical is clearly not a matter of following one's feelings. A person following his or her feelings may recoil from doing what is right. In fact, feelings frequently deviate from what is ethical. Most people learn ethical norms at home, at school, or in other social settings. Although most people acquire their sense of right and wrong during childhood, moral development occurs throughout life, and human beings pass through different stages of growth as they mature. Ethical norms are so ever-present that one might be tempted to regard them as simple common sense. On the other hand, if morality were nothing more than common sense, then why are there so many ethical disputes and issues in our society? So think about it. Most societies also have legal rules that govern behavior, but ethical norms tend to be broader and more informal than laws. Most societies also have legal rules that govern behavior, but ethical norms tend to be broader and more informal than laws. Although most societies use law to enforce widely accepted moral standards and ethical legal rules use similar concepts, it is important to remember that ethics and law are not the same. An action may be legal but unethical or illegal but ethical. We can also use ethical concepts and principles to criticize, evaluate, propose, or interpret laws. Indeed, in the last century, many social reformers urged citizens to disobey laws in order to protest what they regarded as immoral or unjust laws. Some organizations also highlighted lists of ethical values needed to be followed by the employee to encourage safe and ethical working environment. According to ERC, whether writing a code or developing an ethics program, organizations need to identify and define a set of values that represent the ethical ideas of the organizations. Regardless of the means by which companies select their values, it is also important to draft a definition for each. Employees need to know how company view this, just as they need to know what ideals company consider to be important. Different people may see ethical organization in different ways. Those people always depend on facts and data rather than feelings and instinct. According to Moore 1995, computer ethics may come in several definitions. Computer ethics has two parts. First, the analysis of the nature and social impact of computer technology, and the second, the corresponding formulation and justification of policies for the ethical use of such technology. Moore used the phrase computer technology because he takes the subject matter of the field broadly to include computers and associated technology, including software, hardware, and networks. Based on a book written by George W. Reynolds entitled Ethics in Information Technology, Reynolds discussed about the example that raised public concern about the use of ethical in information technology. Most of the society did not aware the importance of ethics and the risk of using information technology unethically because of the vast growth of the internet and its ability to gather amounts of personal data. In information technology professionalism, there is a relationship between IT workers and their clients. An IT worker provides service to clients who either work outside the workers, on the organization, or are internal. In relationships between IT workers and their clients, each party agrees to provide something of value to each other, for example hardware, software, or services at a certain cost and within certain time frame. Based on information, alternatives and recommendations given by IT workers, the client can also make decisions upon their project. The client can trust the IT workers to apply their skills and expertise into something that will benefit the clients. In conclusion, ethics should come as no surprise that many different professional associations, government agencies, and universities have adopted specific codes, rules, and policies relating to ethics. It depends on the workers or professionals in every industry and field to have considered moral values in conducting their work or simply means to conduct work the right way. So that's all from us. Thank you.